My favorite hobby is playing football. I play football 3 times a week in the afternoon, from 5:30 to 7:30. I play football in a football pitch with my teammates. It's Procaccio Ascoli. I wear skiing guards, shorts, t-shirt, football shoes, and in winter I wear a sweater and a rainproof jacket. I began when I was 6 years old because this sport, in my opinion, is much fun and it's hateful. I play as midfielder. A midfielder is a player whose position of play is midway between the attacking and the defenders. A midfielder's functions are to dispossess of the ball the opposing team and to retain possession of it. I am also attacking midfielder. This year I have played in the Championship of Region Marche. My favorite football player is Cesc Fabregas. He is from Spain and he plays in England with Arsenal.